Okay, so hi everyone. So today is my first live streaming. Okay, so today we are going to build paint application. So we are going to use vue3, vite, and typescript with the help of the typescript. Okay, so vite is like a dev tool which is uh, very helpful for writing the application. it, it is not used in the production environment. Okay, so let's start with wheat. Okay, getting started. Overview. Okay, so here are some commands. So wheat is not particularly yeah, you don't have to use it with the any like a view. It can be used with vanilla JS, React, Preact, Civility. As you can see, lots of options. Okay, so first of all we are going to make a okay. So this is the whatever your name will be. Okay, of the application. So for suppose paint app. Okay, and yes, this stands for typescript boilerplate. So today as I'm going to use typescript with the vue3. So yes, so till then we can see if my live is working or not. Okay, my voice is not can you hear my voice? Okay, my voice is not can you hear my voice? Okay, I think so. Voice is okay. Okay, good. My voice is not. So I'm just can you hear my voice? This okay, I think so. Voice is okay. Okay, good. My voice is not. So, okay. I am live. Hashtag VJS. Hashtag TypeScript. Okay, and let's see if the what kind of server it is. Okay, cd paint app. Okay, npm. We have to run the command npm install just for installing all the node modules related with it. Okay. Mm. So you can go to the vid official website and check out what it is. It's just a dev tool. It gives some powerful features for developers. It's not like any framework or something. Okay, npm run dev. suppose 3000, and as you can see this is the current boilerplate, and we are going to rid of this. First of all, I want to open it in the code. This is all the default. So I'm going to use a composition API, but I'm going to use a script setup. Okay, it's just a syntactic sewer over the composition API. As you can see, this setup, we don't. If you are familiar with the composition API, or just no need to worry about that. Okay, and I'm getting rid of this also. Okay, body margin 0. So I'm going to use a HTML canvas for this project. Okay, if you are familiar with canvas, at the body p no sorry display reflex, align items, justify content, center min height would be 100 vh, just to make it in the center, and let's say height is equal to 500 with so to 500. Okay, and canvas border with 1px solid black. Oops, I forgot to run the server. Okay, as you can see, our canvas is here. So now I'm going to use canvas draw example, draw circle. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, and so first of all, we are not using that element ID, not using that. So in view, we are going to do it in the view way. This there is an ref template ref. Okay, and canvas cons canvas. So it is a template ref which is similar to the document get element by id. It's just a view way of doing the things. and I'm going to pass it like HTML. HTML canvas element. Okay, we need to also this ref we need to import it. Import ref from view. Okay, don't get confused with this ref and this ref. This is a template refs. So whatever, I mean, like you are using a component or a div or anything, any HTML element, you are just using ref. It is just pointing towards the, so this variable would be pointing towards this element. Okay, so HTML I've passed the HTML canvas element because we are using TypeScript, and TypeScript doesn't, whenever we want to access the properties in the future, it will restrict us. Okay, let's say copy this, and I should bring up once, draw. mm, we are just using an optional chain property. Whenever if it will check if it is not null. Okay, it means it will not let pass if it is null. Not, it will let pass if ctx. So this condition, if ctx, is just checking if there is a canvas. Actually there is canvas, so I can this can be targeted. Let's call this draw circle. Okay, and there is nothing. So I think so on mounted should be here, on mounted. Whenever the component is mounted. Okay, yes. Fill. There were two properties. We are going to use fill, and as it looks like, yes, as you can see here it is a circle. Okay, so now this stands for the height, this for the width, and this is for the radius. Okay, x coordinate, y coordinate, as you can see. No, the second one is for the height, I think so. Okay, radius is S angle R. Seriously, I don't have idea about this. Mm, so now what we are going to do is let's see if there is someone in the chat. No. Okay, and we need to spawn this. Let's say 20, and you can see is the 20 is okay as and so till now we are clear. This if ctx is like something, if check it is whether it is null or not. Okay. Hmm. Now I want an event. Okay, so I will pass an event mouse move. So first of all, I make sure that this should be dynamic and it's a number. X and Y. So it will be so if 100 and 100 is passed, right? It's just as you can see, this is like X, this is Y, and this is X. Okay, that's some all these its coordinates from the center the circle. Yes, this helps us with the movement. And let's make this whenever our mouse is moving, the circle should also be moved or dragged. On click, let's say this I'm using this mouse event, so we can get the e offset x, which is the which will act like a x. Y, like y, and this would be passed. And on click it's we can see this for the on click. Okay, and mouse move. On mouse move, let's copy the same. As you can see, but it is not like, yes it is. We can go through this. Okay, what I want is whenever I'm clicking the mouse, then only I should able to drag. And yes, we can declare a variable here, like let is mouse clicked, and it would be like false. Remember, I'm not using here ref. Okay, because this variable I'm going to use within the script, so I don't need to pass it in the template. I'm not passing it in template. If I had to pass it to the template, I would make sure that it would be dynamic. With whenever you are declaring a variable with a ref, it is whenever you update that variable, it is available to the template, so the changes will occur. Okay, on mouse down. mm, Mouse up. This should be like false. So it should be false, and I'm removing this event. And here I'm passing the condition if is mouse click it. Yes, and it is working in the same way. Whenever I'm clicking, this is dragging. Okay, like this one. Yes, so this is working as nice. I should increase the mouse. Okay, toolbar. Let this toolbar be with 500px background color. His flex direction should be column. And why it is okay. This might be perfect for now. And I want to show like clear button on sorry, count. display flex, then px. Okay, span would be like span text line center. It is not like this. Display flex. Okay, it's appearing nice right now. So I'm now declaring a variable with const. Let's say size, and it would be 5. The reason I'm using ref here is because I need to update in the template also, so we understood. Also increase. By the way, we don't have to declare functions with the ref. Functions are directly available to the template. Let's say size dot value plus 5. What was the initial? Okay, it's a 5, and whenever it increases, if its size dot value is greater than 50, size dot value equals to 50. Same goes for the decrease logic, but it would be in the reverse manner, like decrease whenever it it's lesser than 5, then it should be a 5. On okay, it should be click click and we have to use double curly braces whenever we are accessing uh, sorry, no value, only just a variable. Okay, it's increasing and decreasing, just we have to pass it into the, it's not going above the 50 and it's not going down than the 50, so we are going to pass this to the like the size dot value. As you can see, the is 5 is already okay, as you can see. So good, this is working. And okay, how is my live going on? Is it okay? It's mm, so now what we are going to do is, okay, we need a color picker. So and we can see here the color picker, and we can use like any shade. So what I'm going to use is a change event. Color change event. Okay, e dot target dot value, and it is showing event is dispatch null, is possibly null, so we have to handle it like this. Let's say let event target equal to e dot target, and it's possibly null, so as HTML in HTML input element Let's see. I'm not. I'm not like I've not selected here. Okay. Can I get that color? Yes. And I'm going to use a let variable because I don't need to show the color in the template, so it would be like one, and it is a by default black, and there is a like a cdx dot fill style. Yes, fill style. So the color. Okay, even so why I'm using a HTML input element. So this dot this it was giving a error, like TypeScript was giving error because the color it it was assuming that the object might be possibly null. So as HTML input element, so for let's see, red. Okay, this is the red. Yeah, and what if I increase the size, and let's say we change the color. uh, it's working fine. We need to change this toolbar color to, wow, okay. What about uh, clearing this? Okay, so there should be a button which should be standing for clear. not getting which symbol to use here. Let's say this one. Okay, just for now consider this style margin. Okay, whenever I hit this button, it's canvas should clear, like canvas clear canvas. Okay, we need the CTX. That's how we get CTX. Can have the same condition because okay, we also have to pass canvas. Okay, so this condition will check for both the CTX and canvas object if it is available. Mm, clear canvas and click. Okay, we need a white color, and this was like okay, yes, and this is making it clear. And now what about the line? HTML canvas line. So set the same is a move to, it's like origin on draw a line. We don't need this anymore. Should be removed. Draw circle and okay, it's like just making on the same line. So now we need it. We need to make it dynamic. Number 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 number. It is like a starting point. X1 equals to y1 equals to 0. Cross event x1 equals to e dot target x. Okay, and x is 0, and we will be getting y2 to equals to x. Yes, okay, it's working. Not about the size. This was like something ctx line. Okay, yes, this is the property, and I need to buy size. Start value. Okay, yes, and okay, the color is not working. Yes, the color part. Okay, oof, it's working. Yes, and it's working. Okay, what if it's like there is like a condition if you want to choose a circle or a line. Wait, what is my okay? So it's been like I can add a condition where a user can choose whether he wants to pick the line or not. Okay. mm hmm Let's say button. Where for circle there should be like something. is I can choose this one in black circle. Yes. And for line there should be something. We must get something. There should be something representing a line, because I'm not going to use the font awesome right now because it will be wasting time. Okay, this one, this I can use. Okay, this code. Yes. For right now, it's obviously it's. Mm, so what this button will do is choose handle shape selection on. So it could be like a string. Let you be let selected shape is equal to, by default it would be a circle. Hmm. Okay, so this one is a circle, so I'm going to pass the parameter, so you can pass the parameter like this. Okay, line, and so by now you're clear why I'm using let normal variable instead of rev, because this variable is going to be just available here inside the script, so I don't need it to be ref. Okay, so on here mouse move we have to check on mouse move we should check like a condition if line. So remember we were using like let x equal to e dot offset x, so y, draw circle. Okay, let's check this out. By default it is circle, and what if I choose the line? Okay, yes, it's working. Ooh. And I'm changing, let's say color. I've changed the color, I've selected the, okay, yes, and I've seen the shape, yes. Okay, let's like this you can make the full paint application, MS paint application. Sorry. Okay, so that's it for this live streaming, and I hope you have got some value from this video. And just I'm going to close all this. Okay, hi Mr. Owl, Mr. Owl, and Mr. was I don't know how to spell it. Yes, Mr. Owl, I saw your comment for the TypeScript and the Firebase with the view. So yes, currently I will be, I will upload, but in some it might take some time because I'm doing a full-time job and I'm just doing it on the weekend. I have to prepare a lot for this kind of videos. So working with the Firebase, it would be a very long video, but surely I'm going to make that video. Okay, thank you. Take care.